Greetings, loyal viewers, and welcome back. And then continuing from number 1, we're going on to Sonic Boom Vine Compilations number 2 by, what's his name again? Sonic Animation XX. I'm just going to say it like that. It's easier that way, and a little less goofy, but in the right way. My only hopes is this will be about as funny as the last one, which if you've seen my last video, then you know that I thought that one was really, really funny. My only hopes is that they use a little less clips from the video game, because anytime I see that video game, I feel a little bit of goodness just dying in me, even if they take advantage of it in the way that the game developers of that one should have taken advantage of it, regardless. So without further ado, let's get it on. Oh, I'll enjoy. Hopefully.
The beat go hard though.
Boy. Oh God.
See what the fuss is about. He's just a shrew in gaudy clothes.
How could this happen?
Oh my God, Sarah. Really? Oh. Oh. Ow. Well, I guess. Well, I guess it could have been worse. Okay. A minute in, and so far, no clips from the video game. At least as far as I know. Okay, good. No clips from the video game. Oh God, no. I'm loving this.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my God.
I'll use the window.
Ow.
I didn't steal anything. I know, but there's a posse on your tail. I don't want to lose you. You're a valuable member of Team Knuckles. I'm not even going to argue. Right. Just one question. Who's Earl? What's an orchid? And where are we?
You're a fucking idiot.
Yep, but that's what we love about him.
Don't let her know
Oh God, I know this episode. Please tell me they're not going to show the actor. Please tell me they're not going to show the actor. Oh no, he's going to show.
Nope.
If you want to know what women want, talk to a woman.
That's brilliant! Where do I find one? Yeah! I love that part. Yeah, I wouldn't want anything to do with that robot either.
Trying to kill me.
Oh God, oh God, oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh, I would
Oh my God.
I would fucking piss myself if I...
Nice to meet you. No.
Dumbass motherfucker.
Oh God. Okay. Well, props to you, Sonic Animation XX. That was definitely way funnier than the last one, and the best part is, no Sonic Boom Rise of Lyric in this one. So, kudos to you, man. Kudos. This was really fun. In the end, though, this was really fun, and if he has any more work that involves Sonic, I definitely will check that out, as well as other Sonic Mine compilations, especially if they involve the Sonic Boom TV show. Because from what I've seen so far, it's been pretty fun. It's been pretty fun. Well, that's about all the time we got. If you like the video, go ahead and comment, like, and or subscribe. And the other suggestions, leave some in the comment section below. And be sure to check out my Patreon account if you got the time. And as always, I'm King Gargantuas, and I'll see you all next time.